Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make avocado leave-in conditioner. First, gather your ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. These natural components are fantastic for deeply moisturizing and strengthening your hair. This homemade conditioner will leave your hair feeling incredibly soft and looking wonderfully shiny, providing essential nutrients without harsh chemicals. Now, let's get mixing. Start by mashing your ripe avocado in a bowl until it's completely smooth, ensuring there are no lumps. This creamy texture is crucial for a consistent conditioner. Next, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel to the mashed avocado. Mix everything together very well until you have a uniform, smooth paste. This ensures all ingredients are evenly distributed for maximum benefit. Once your conditioner is ready, it's time for application. After washing your hair, gently towel dry it until it's damp. Apply the avocado mixture evenly, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends of your hair. You can leave it in without rinsing for continuous nourishment. For storage, place any leftover conditioner in an airtight container and refrigerate it. It will stay fresh for up to 5 days, ready for your next use. This homemade avocado leave-in conditioner offers incredible benefits, promoting healthy hair growth, reducing frizz, and adding a beautiful natural shine. It's a fantastic way to nourish your hair with natural ingredients. For optimal results, incorporate this treatment into your routine 1 to 2 times per week. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your beautifully conditioned hair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.